Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue when picture in picture or PIP isn't working on your iPhone. Don't worry, I've got some tips to help you get it sorted out. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone supports picture in picture. PIP is available on iPhone models running iOS 14 and later. If you're not sure about your iOS version, head over to settings and go to general and on about. Here you can see iOS version. Make sure it is 14 or later. Next, let's make sure PIP is enabled. Go back to settings and on general, select picture in picture. Ensure that toggle for start PIP automatically is turned on. Now if PIP is still not working, it's time to check for updates. Go back to settings and on general, tap on software update, and if there's any update available, make sure your device is running on the latest version. Next, not all apps support picture in picture, so it's important to check if the app you're using allows it. Popular apps like YouTube, FaceTime, and Safari typically supports PIP, but if you're trying to use it in another app, that could be the issue. Now, if none of the above work, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve any lingering issues. And that's it. Hopefully, these tips help you get picture in picture working on your iPhone again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.